Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki katto kaningot ki samla ki bala apply ya ka kam sectional assistant bala penbana da ka district selection committee DSC ka East Khasiels district ki la penpau ya ka jingban niaw hadien bagila do ban tho ya ka take examen namar ka jingbom yo show ban rung namar ka jing slam jong ki ban poi sha ka jaka tho examen. Kini samla gi bare ban thoya ka examen ha ka senta auxilium school nong thamai ha ka artare gu jamang arhaja arpun rio hadien ka jingbom yo jongki ban rong ki la phone sha ka voice of the people party state youth wing banyarap lam yaki nakaliang u David Omwi u executive member ka VPP state youth wing ha ka jingpoi jung ha ka te ka school la yakran bagi bor panyai bat khamadian kane lawan poi ki officer na ka district selection committee banyakran halor ka te ka kam Hagaji ekran wat ki samla ka officer kalapan pau baka por bala bu bandrong shiki hall tho examen ka dei khandai baje thek kat kum ki kendon ka district selection committee hindrei ki bodo tho examen ki la poi palat ekate ka por kum ta ka laong bakamla ban lei e bat ban patha e ki bagi dei ban burom ya ka por nakaliang ba David ru la kentui ki samla bagi dei ban burom ya ka por kat kum bala bu namar kan bu jing e ya ki nong penyat kham tam baka dei ka examen makin yo kam yo jam Kabakom kani gajing slam kala jaru hasanta Hasinot College daki ba apply ya katai ka kam.
No, we know, but we are facing problems with reading that, and because of the traffic, a bit of traffic.
The thing is that clear instruction. That's what happens here. Even the value of time, right?
Yeah,
so
we
one
can
second.
we
You have to reach at 9 o'clock here.
9:30. At 9:30. Ideally, you should be here at 9, right? So let's say you're concerned and are concerned. Let's say. Look at the value of time. 1 second if I allow you here, right? Someone will be with camera phone. Someone will see you entering after 5 seconds or 10 seconds or a minute or two after time, right? Other centers, because we are very particular about this, exactly 9 o'clock, we'll close the gate. So if we allow you after a few seconds and other centers, we follow the time up to the dot, then problem would be us, right? So we are very straight, very particular about this, starting this exam. If it's 9:30, right? All over the district, all the centers will have to close exactly at 9 o'clock. Sorry, 9:30. Right, sir. From our side,
Because your reporting time is 9 o'clock, right? It's written in the
30 minutes before the exam, so we'll be 25 minutes late. That's why we came to report something, or else we won't be waiting long. Hindi naman nakabidyo no? Nakuha mo kung kita sama ginawan din ay tingin mo ba? Biyak dari itu karon yang atama at least
you have to reach here before 9. So that is why before you run, you can finish like instruction mark.
It was written that before 30 minutes before the exam. It was written
No, the second point.
1 hour before the exam, right?
Yes.
Like you have to reach here.
Yeah, you
and
have
the
to
gate will
reach
close
here.
before like 9:30.
You will close at 9:30, so you come after the 9:30 and otherwise they beli kat dia kan close, right? So tak ada.
Masih komen Pak next time. Kering. Dan yang future ada opportunity. Wah, pisang sih kan Burom Pak Kapor. Maka Kapor doa deh. Ni suatu jadi ni Eksam ni kata mau maka blok. Dan cuma warna je lah, warna kali.
Kan one way bagi semua kena di rules mencuat ya. These two should apply since before kan. Why not then kan?
Entah last time nak akan itu ni juga regarding to the Īaslem conduct program. Ini bisa nak Pak boleh kita pun kita sekolah je itu.
Kalau kan semua boleh mau sekolah kalau fikir for granted ni mencuat Kyrwoh question kita mau pergi.
Tapi
all of a sudden this will apply to.
Sama kalau mengatakan what happened before.
Bagi pandemik ini game dah ni. Bapak ini demokrat ya.
Mengingat sekarang lihat itu Burom itu pun. Itu pun kota kita di Komsan dah. Ada ni nak Burom itu pun. Jangan ikutnya.
Kita kau
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batai kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi banai kita
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.